Hi everyone, this is James Brantley with Magnolia Home Inspections. Today I'm finding something rather interesting, and I thought it would be something good to let you see. Today we come across a family of bats that have decided to take up residence in this gable end of this roof. Whenever you're inspecting the house, oftentimes you'll find things that the sellers are completely unaware of. So what we're going to suggest here today is that they contact exterminating company and go ahead and get these critters out. Okay, now we're on the outside of the louver where we saw the bats on the inside of the house, and we can see there by the damage there that the bats have been coming in and out of this house often for a very long period of time.